Hey lovelies. It's been a while ever since we post a very long video or a long video. I have been posting shorts. Yes, sijangoa. Shorts, and surprisingly mmekuwa mkiwatch and subscribing and liking my content. Thank you so much. I don't take it for granted. And so let me get straight to the video. Continue subscribing though. So Leo, for some reason I feel like taking matoken. I don't know how you call it in your language. Maybe it's mashed potatoes or mashed bananas, I don't know, but I feel like taking it in a traditional way, for the way my grandma used to cook it for me, because so I'm going to show you what I have. I have bananas, I have potatoes, which I have already washed, and then to add to some flavor, I bought this maize, which is already boiled. So my work is to just get off the corn, or yeah, kazi yangu tu ni kudondoa, imebaki tu. So nitawaonyesha step by step how I'm going to make it. It's very easy. I just hope it tastes like grandma's. Yeah, I miss them. Anyway, let's get straight to it. You guys have nothing to worry about, sababu from now on it's just preparing. So the first thing I'm going to do is nitadondoa hii mahindi. So hard to kudondoa kama ishaiva. Next, we peel our potatoes. It's good to wash the potatoes before you peel them, so that they'll not be so dirty when you're done peeling them. Zisikusumbue. They will be clean and nice. So I have my sufuria with water. It has water. So I'm going to dip them there. Sishangae naangusha wapi hizi mauchafu. I have a dustbin hapa chini. Well, so next is our bananas, and as my grandma taught me, this is cooking fat. In order for the bananas not to stick on your hands, you could just apply small amount of cooking oil on your hands, and after you peel the bananas, you just wash your hands well with soap and maybe some warm water, and everything will be okay. So the stickiness in the bananas will not remain on your arms. Good. Let's do this. So there are two ways to cook your mashed potatoes or mashed bananas ama hii matoke. I don't know which way you prefer. Unaweza chemsha zote pamoja badala ya kukaanga, or you could just go in and ukaange. That is kama you have meat. If you have meat, you could just unakaanga nyama kwanza vizuri kabisa hadi ziive, then you can add other stuff kama bananas, potatoes. If you have carrots, they are so nice to decorate. Is it to decorate? Ama inaitwa kugarnish your matoke so that it looks presentable. Carrot una grate kidogo tu, ile hapo moja inaonekana hapa load, wengine inaonekana lukitamu. So we are done. So this is our maize, boiled maize, and our bananas and potatoes. The next thing we are doing is preparing kukaanga food. So we'll need an onion. I'm only going to use an onion, a nyanya, nitatumia tu moja, turmeric. I use this turmeric, natural one. I don't take spicy food. I don't cook spicy food. So that a small turmeric. And so I forgot to buy ginger. No, I wouldn't have added garlic, lakini ningeongezea ginger. I normally use ile ginger ya kugrate. So in the meantime, we're just going to use 1 onion, 1 tomato, and garlic. Hivyo tu na chumvi. That's it. And our food will be as natural as possible. Staki spices. So yeah, let's do this. Nimewambia nawapeleka step by step. I'll not jump any step. So that kama unataka kupika kama nyanyangu, you know, sweet food, sweet, delicious, traditional food. Yeah, you'll follow these steps. If you guys subscribe. So this is our carrot. Okay, so let me wash this. Okay. Put the onion mustard. That's enough. We have our onion. We add just enough cooking fats or cooking oil. You don't want to add much. Kidogo tu. Yeah. Now let's begin to cook. Okay, here we go. So I don't want the onion to cook kabisa, it turn golden or whatever. I just want it to, just a little bit. 2 minutes, 3 minutes of it cooking are okay. We are good. See, it hasn't cooked kabisa. So we add our onion and turmeric. After it has cooked well, we are adding the bananas and potatoes. Ndo zishike mafuta. So you smash your potatoes and your bananas to make sure that they are well cooked for it to be easier for you to mash them. Okay, so they're ready. Now let's get off the water and then mash them as we add the water. Capiche? Good. So tunatoa ile maji ilikuwa imebaki kidogo excess. If the water that had remained on your bowl is not enough to mash the potatoes to zikuwe running as you want them, unaweza chemsha maji to help you. So yeah. You could add more water to make it more running, but as for me, mine is just fine to eat.